Have you ever contemplated the profound mystery of how our bodies store trauma? It's not just an abstract concept, but a tangible physiological process that occurs within us. The human body, a marvel of biology, is designed not only to experience the world around us but also to remember those experiences, particularly those that are traumatic. When we encounter a traumatic event, our bodies spring into action. The brain, the central command station, triggers a cascade of reactions. The amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for emotional processing, identifies the event as a threat. It sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus, the command center for our autonomic nervous system. This system controls involuntary body functions such as heartbeat, blood pressure, and breathing. Once the hypothalamus receives the distress signal, it communicates with the rest of the body through the sympathetic nervous system, initiating the fight or flight response. The adrenal glands are then stimulated to release adrenaline, increasing heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels, preparing the body to either confront or flee from danger. But what happens when the threat is over? Ideally, the body should return to a state of calm. The parasympathetic nervous system, the other half of the autonomic nervous system, should kick in, promoting rest and recovery. However, in the case of trauma, this doesn't always happen. Sometimes, the body gets stuck in a state of high alert, as if the threat is still present. This state of chronic stress can lead to a variety of health problems, including anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Moreover, the body can also store trauma in a more physical sense, as tension or pain in muscles and tissues. In addition, the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory, also plays a crucial role in how our bodies store trauma. It helps to create a memory of the traumatic event, which can be triggered by reminders of the incident. This can result in flashbacks or intrusive thoughts, common symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. So in essence, when we talk about bodies storing trauma, we're referring to a complex interplay of physiological responses and memory processes that can have lasting effects on both our physical and mental health. To recap, the body's response to trauma unfolds in several stages. First, the amygdala identifies the threat and signals the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus then activates the sympathetic nervous system, initiating the fight or flight response. If the body doesn't return to calm after the threat is over, it can remain in a state of chronic stress. The body can also store trauma physically, as tension or pain, and mentally, as traumatic memories. Understanding how our bodies store trauma is an essential part of understanding ourselves. It can help us better manage our reactions to stressful events and seek appropriate help when needed. Indeed, the human body is a marvel of biology, capable of not just experiencing the world, but also remembering those experiences in a way that can shape our health and well-being in profound ways.